Hey creators, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a budget-friendly powerhouse that's packing a surprising punch: the 5K video camera camcorder with 48MP photo, Wi-Fi, IR night vision, anti-shake, and more. Whether you're just starting your YouTube journey or looking for a reliable second cam for vlogs or B-roll, this one's worth a serious look. Let's start with the core. It captures 5K video and 48MP photos, giving you crisp detail whether you're shooting content for YouTube, TikTok, or your next vlog series. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity makes transferring files a breeze, and you can control the camera remotely from your phone using the included app. This camcorder shines in low light too, thanks to its infrared night vision mode, perfect for nighttime shooting, ghost hunts, or creative cinematic scenes. It also features 1.6x digital zoom, a 3.0-inch flip touchscreen, and 6-axis anti-shake, so you'll get smoother footage even if you're shooting handheld. Now let's talk audio. It includes an external shotgun microphone for cleaner voice capture, a huge upgrade over built-in mics, and you also get a lens hood to reduce glare and flare during outdoor shoots. What really makes this camcorder a great deal for beginners is the extras. You're getting a stabilizer grip, remote control, 2 rechargeable batteries, and a battery charger all bundled in. That's rare at this price point, and it's great for long shoot days without needing to stop and recharge. This isn't a cinema camera, but for under $200, you're getting a complete video kit that can handle vlogs, interviews, travel diaries, IR footage, and social content creation with ease. So if you're looking to level up your content without breaking the bank, this all-in-one vlogging camera is a fantastic starting point. You'll find the Amazon link right below. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more honest gear reviews and creator tips.